Yes, I'm starting the chapter 18, Amazing Asia. Here you can see on the screen, students, flag of different countries, international code, country, capital, language, and what the people are called. Okay, students? So first country is Afghanistan, and the code for Afghanistan is AFG. Its capital is Kabul, and the language they speak is Pashto and the Dari language, and they are called as Afghans. Next is Bangladesh. You can see the flag of Bangladesh, students, and its code is BD. The capital is Thimphu, and they speak the Bizaka language, and they are called as Bengalis. Bangladesh people are called as Bengalis. Next is Bhutan. Capital is Thimphu. Now, the next country is China. Its capital is Beijing, and the language they speak is Mandarin, Chinese, and Mongolian, and they are called as Chinese. Next country, India. You know about India. Iran, capital is Tehran, and the language they speak is Persian, Azerbaijani, Kurdishi, and Arabic language, and they are called as Iranian. Next is Iraq. The capital is Baghdad, and the language is Arabic and Kurdishi. They are called as Iraqi. Next country is Israel, Jerusalem. The capital is Jerusalem, and the language they speak Hebrew, Arabic, and English, and they are called as Israeli. Next country is Japan. Capital is Tokyo, and the language they speak is Japanese and Angur. They are called as Japanese. Next country is Kuwait. Capital is Kuwait City, and the language they speak is Arabic English, and they are called as Kuwaitis. Next country is Myanmar, Malaysia. The capital is Kuala Lumpur. The language they speak is Malay and English, and they are called as Malaysian. Next country is Nepal. It is a neighboring country of India. It's like part of India only, students. Capital is Kathmandu, and the language they speak is Maithili and Nepali, and they are called as Nepalis and Nepali. Next country is North Korea. Pyongyang is the capital, and Korean language they are speaking, and they are called as Koreans. Next language is next country is Pakistan. Next country is Pakistan, and the capital is Islamabad. You know about Pakistan. I don't have anything to say about it. Urdu and Punjabi, Sindhi, Sarkis, Pashtunos, and Baluchi language they are speaking, and they are called as Pakistanis. Next country, the superpower, is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow, and the language they speak is Russian. The language they speak is Russian, and they are called as Russian also. Next is Saudi Arabia. The capital is Riyadh. The language they speak is Arabic and English, and they are called as Saudi Arabian. Next, Singapore. Singapore capital is Singapore only, and the language they speak as Mandarin, Tamil, English, and Malay, and they are called as Singaporean. Next is Sri Lanka at the south of India. Capital is Colombo, and the language they speak is student. Who is doing this? Yes, they can leave. And please rename yourself Galaxy. Sri Lanka capital is Colombo, and the language they speak is Sinhali, Tamil, and English, and they are called as Sri Lankan. Next country is Taiwan. Capital is Taipei, and the language they speak is Mandarin or Chinese, and they are called as Taiwanese. Next country is Thailand. Capital is Bangkok, and the language they speak is Thai, Chinese, and English, and they are called as Thai. Thailand people are called as Thai. And next is United Arab Emirates. Capital is Abu Dhabi, and the language they speak is Arabic English, and they are called as Emiratis. Now we shift to the neighboring countries. You all are aware, and we have gone through these neighboring countries many times. Yes, the first neighboring country it is Pakistan. Yes, students, and Pakistan is on the western part of India. It is in the north. It is Afghanistan, and on the east side lies the India, and Islamabad is capital. Clear, students? And main religion is Islam. And to the north of it, there lies Bangladesh. Sorry, north of Pakistan, it is Afghanistan. Clear, students? And Afghanistan capital is Kabul. Clear, students? Now, the next country is China. Clear, students? China, its capital is Beijing, and they are called as Chinese. Next country we can see is Nepal. You can see this Nepal, and it is landlocked because on all sides land border is there. In the north of it, Himalayan mountain ranges are there, Tibet is there, and all the other sides India is there. To the west, south, east, or all sides India is covered, and its capital is Kathmandu, students. And the religion is Hinduism. They worship Hindu religion. Nepalese people, they worship Hindu religion. And major tourist attractions are Nepal are Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha. You all know about Buddha. More detail you will study in grade 6 about Buddhism religion. The birthplace Lumbini is at the border of Nepal. And Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is in Nepal. Clear, students? This was about the Nepal. Next, we move towards the neighboring country, Bhutan, near the Sikkim. It is also between two Indian states. Four sides it is covered by India only. And then the north portion, Tibet is lying. Clear, it is called as the land of thunder dragons. Bhutan is called as the land of thunder dragons, students. Bhutan has very high mountains, fertile valleys, and thick forest. And lies in the eastern Himalaya range and bordered by China on the north, and all other sides it is covered by India. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. And Buddhism religion. Here people worship Buddhism religion, and it has democratic monarchy form of government Bhutan. And it has the Indo-Bhutan Treaty of Friendship of August 1949. And it's Bhutan seeks the advice of Indian government, and it has a good relations and trading business with India. So this was about the Bhutan. The next neighboring country of India is Bangladesh. It also on the three sides it is bordered by India only, and one side it is having Bay of Bengal. You can see on the screen, students, three sides it has land border with India and one side Bay of Bengal. And earlier, before independence, it was called as East Pakistan. And Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, and official religion is Islam. And they have parliamentary form of government. Clear, students? So this was about the Bangladesh, the neighboring country. Next neighboring country is Myanmar. Just this is also three sides. One side it is covered by India. The corner, this side, students, is Myanmar. In earlier it was called as Burma. Clear, students? The Myanmar was earlier called as Burma. It is located in the Southeast Asia, मतलब south portion of Asia continent, along the Bay of Bengal. And Naypyidaw is the capital of this Myanmar. And it is ruled by military government. Its rule is military is ruling over. And Buddhist constitute. The population here consists of 85% of Buddhist. Clear, students? So this was about the Myanmar student. Now the next last country which is left is Sri Lanka. You can see here it is like a drop of ocean in Indian Ocean. It is an island about 80-kilometer distance of the southern tip of India, separated by Pike Strait. Sri Lanka and India are separated by Pike Strait, students. You can see this line, which is this line. You can see the arrow. This is called as Pike Strait, and its capital is Sir Jayawardhanam Kotte. The capital of Sri Lanka is Sir Jayawardhanam Kotte, and it has also republic form of government. Sri Lanka has a republic form of, and the major religion of Sri Lanka is Buddhism. Some Tamils also are there. Now, it has a free from civil war after the leaders of Leyte were defeated. Dear students, so this was about the neighboring country and about the amazing Asia. We have gone through the countries of amazing Asia, students. Okay.